What is up, you guys? So, this my tripod is tipping a little bit. Sorry, you guys. What is up? Hope everyone's doing well. Today is what is today? This is Wednesday, February 4th, maybe 3rd or 4th. I have no idea. But hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are staying safe and everyone's doing well. I'm going to do something I haven't done before. I'm going to film for you guys my cooking. So tonight we're cooking chicken. I don't know what I'm going to cook it with. Probably some chicken and some veggies as well. Like I have some veggies. And yeah. So this is what we got, you guys. This is chicken. And this is a little bit of vinegar. If you don't wash your chicken, wash your chicken. Because there's all kinds of stuff that comes on packaged chicken, you guys. Wash your chicken. So take a little bit of this here, vinegar, throw it on our chicken. I'm gonna lift it up so you guys can see. Throw a little bit on the chicken there. And then cold water. Rinse this bad boy with cold water, you guys. Rinse, 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 rinse. And then I already pre-rinsed it as well, so I'm going to take it, kind of move it around and strain it. Quite the noise, right? Just kidding. Straining it a little bit, you guys. And then rinse out a little bit around the sink as well. Pardon these dishes, I gotta put those away. I got some clean dishes that I gotta put away, and then I need to stack the dirty dishes in the dishwasher. But that's done with that. And then I'm gonna bring you guys over here and show you our seasoning. So let's go. Alright, you guys, so step one, I already transferred the chicken from the strainer into this glass bowl. And then we're gonna take some garlic powder there. See that? And we're gonna be very, very generous with the seasoning, you guys, because nobody likes bland chicken. Actually, my garlic powder's pretty much done, so pop that sucker in like that. Next, we got a little bit of cumin. I love cumin, and it's good for you too. Put a little bit on there. And when I say a little bit, I mean a lot. Put that to the side. We got some onion powder. Bam. And you can put whatever seasonings you want, depending on like what kind of chicken you want to make. I just love flavor, so I put the chicken. I put whatever seasoning I want to. Bam. We got some black pepper. And we're gonna crunch this pepper over the chicken, y'all. Muy importante. Okay, next we got some salt. I gotta get some seasoning salt. I ran out, but right now iodized salt will do just fine. So we're gonna be not super heavy-handed with the salt because we don't want super salty chicken. I like savory flavors. That's me, but teach his own. Next, we got some Jamaican browning. Yaman. It makes the chicken very tender and delicious. I love it. Put some of that browning on there, y'all. You feel me? Yeah. And then next, we got some red pepper. And I'm using crushed red peppers because I ran out of paprika as well, y'all. So I gotta go to the store and get some more seasonings. But we got these seasonings, y'all. You feel me? It's muy importante. Yeah. And then after that, we're gonna take our tongs and we're going to mix. And then I already got my my pan here that's heating up. So we're taking this and we're mixing. Ooh. Again, the wonderful noise. That's how you know the chicken is clean and the seasonings are getting up in there. I do love cooking, you guys. I really, really do. I feel like I was a chef in my past life, but who knows? Maybe someday I'll own my own little restaurant or something, or small cafe. Who knows? Je ne sais pas. I don't know. Okay, guys. Next, that's looking nice and stilled. Next, we gotta get our cooking oil, y'all. Let me grab it in here. You girls got some, bam, some EVOO. Take that off. Put that in the pan. Make sure it gets nice and warm there. I usually start with like a medium heat because I don't want it to be too hot. I'm gonna get that nice and hot, but this pan is already ready to go, y'all. So we're gonna take our chicken. Hopefully you guys can see. And we're gonna lay her down. Lay her down. And this is gonna be some delicious pan fried chicken, y'all. Oh. That one was trying to come out the pan. I wonder what I don't know what was going on. Dude, this smells so good, by the way. The cumin with the browning smells so good. It really smells amazing, for real. I'm gonna close that so it doesn't come out open. Then I'm gonna grab a little cover for that so it doesn't splatter. Like this, y'all. And then do a little bit of covering, you feel me? And then I have a spatula here. I can just flip it. But yeah, we got that going. And next, I think I'm gonna get some veggies going. So I'll show you guys. So what I have is some steamed broccoli florets. Sometimes I like to get what do you call it? Like unfrozen vegetables as well, but this is one that I got this time, so I'm gonna pop this in here. So I'm gonna pop it in like this, and I'm gonna hit cook time. I'm gonna hit 4 minutes. And then, yeah, I'm gonna start it. Okay, our chicken is looking good. I'll kind of show you guys. Hopefully you can see here. Go down, see our chicken. Turn on the light for you guys. Chicken is looking good. It's cooking. And I'm gonna let it cook a little bit more. If you guys can kind of see the heat right there, I kind of put it on maybe like an 8 or so. But that is cooking and it's looking good, you guys. She is looking good. I'm excited for it because I am hungry, y'all. Hungry. So, our chicken's looking good, y'all. Nice and beautiful. I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit because I do want it to be grilled as well. But it's looking and smelling really, really good, y'all. Let me tell you. Flipping, and our broccoli is almost done. I hear it popping a little bit, so it's popping off. This is looking really good, you guys. I'm gonna cover it a little bit more, but it's on higher heat, so. Oh, make sure that is a really good cooking tool is to make sure your handle is not faced towards you, because if something happens and you knock it, bam, it can get on you. This is a safety hazard. Watch yourself. Be careful. Anyway, here our broccoli the bag is nice and expanded from the heat, so we're gonna pour it out and see how it looks. You feel me? Okay, let me find something for you guys. You hear that chicken is sizzling. trying to open this bag the best way that I can while trying to evade the heat that comes from it. For real, for real. Okay, we got it. So I take this form of buffet in here. And also too, I had my carbs today. I had like two pieces of this the really delicious walnut bread. Sorry, I'm tired, y'all. Delicious like walnut and cherry bread. It was fire. So got my broccoli here. Set that to the side for me. Okay, now run back and check this chicken because she is steaming. Woo. Oh, I forgot to turn on my fan, y'all. It's smelling so good. Oh yeah, this is it. It smells so good, you guys. Let me tell you. And the browning really makes it like nice and tender. Nice and tender chicken. That's how you want your chicken. Turn this down a little bit because it's getting hot. Okay. This is looking good. Let me grab my bowl. So what I'm doing is I'm just opening the chicken to make sure it's like nice and cooked all the way, you know, and you want to be mindful with that. We ain't eating no raw chicken over here. Okay, and that's what it's looking like right there, bam. And then the bottom of the pan looks a little seared like that because it's on high heat, but also because of the browning. So what I like to do is typically just rinse it out and just, you know, rinse that out and just to restart. So I'm just putting the remaining of the chicken, you guys, in the pan. And then I'm gonna place the lid over it like so. All right, y'all, so here's the second batch from the chicken. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit so it can cook some more and maybe not boil like it's trying to right now. And then I'm gonna take a clean fork here and we're gonna try our cooked chicken. And also too, because I'm paranoid, I just like to check and make sure, but cheers. Yeah. This is nice and cooked. It's tender. This chicken is busting, you guys. It's really good. Let's check it. It's done. And it's fire. So, I'm just waiting on this next batch. Set some of this chicken to the side. Y'all. Checking our chicken. looking good. It's really soft. It smells really good too. Oops. That up there. I'm gonna bring up the heat a little bit more because I want to make sure I grill it really well, you know. All right, let's check our chicken. Looking and smelling really good. I'm not exaggerating, no. It smells and tastes really good. The browning is what sells it. Like, I love Jamaican browning sauce. If you know, comment down below because it's so good. Alright, y'all. Okay. This chicken is done. Alright, you guys, that is it. Here is the result. Just some basic broccoli and chicken, so just some nice protein that I can get because I didn't eat enough protein today, so definitely doing that. And I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. And thank you guys for watching. Really, really appreciate it, and excited for what's next to come.